Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick sew-in hairstyle. I'm going to make use of these hair bundles right here. And also, I've already separated my hair into two, separating the front from the back section, as you can see right here. And also I'm separated the hair for the leave out around the perimeter. So right now I'm going ahead to braid them out of the way. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to be working on the braid pattern for the sew-in. So the braid pattern is not really that neat, okay, I know that, but it doesn't have to be super neat. Plus I need it to be done on time, and doing mini braids would take a lot longer, so I just did a rough braid pattern for the sew-in. So this is how it's looking. Plus no one is going to see the braid pattern, what the braid pattern looks like, once I'm done sewing down the track. So yeah. Okay, all done. So this is the braid pattern right here. So now it's time for me to work on the leave out hair. So right now I'm going in to spray in a little bit of water. So next I'm going in with a coily jelly to help smooth the hair. So next I'm going to go in with a coily mousse, and I'm applying that on the hair before going ahead to braid it. Okay, so I'm done braiding the leave out hair. So I'm just going to let that do a stain. While that is drying, I'm going to be working on the rest. I'm going to be using this weft for the first track on the back around the perimeter. So this way my hair will blend well with it, and it will give a flat look once I put the hair into a bun. So for this part, you can use bobby pins to secure the weft to your braid first, just to help hold it in place before going ahead to sew your hair. So as you can see right here, I'm just holding it down with one hand and sewing the weft down with my other hand. So to make the work a little bit easier, you can use bobby pins to secure the weft in place first, so that way you're not trying to hold the weft down at the same time trying to sew the hair, the weft in place. So I'm going to be using the fold over method for this sew-in. But first I'm going to secure the end of this track in place. So this is it right here. So now that the first track is done, I'm going ahead to work on the rest. Okay, so right now I'm going to be doing the fold over method. As you can see right here, I just take the hair, fold it over. So now I'm going to be holding the fold over point in place with one hand, and with my other hand I'm going to be securing it down. So I'm just taking my needle, passing it through the fold over edge of the weft and through the braid. So now I'm going to pass the needle through the loop and pull to secure it in place. So at this point you want to place your finger at the fold over point right there when pulling on the thread, so that will help to secure it in place, and also make sure that the fold over point of the weft lays flat. And also placing your finger on the braid when pulling on the thread to secure it in place also help to prevent you from pulling too tight on your hair. As you can see, doing the same thing, making sure to place my finger down when pulling on the thread to secure the knot in place. That prevents me from putting too much tension on my scalp. So once you get to the end of the track, you need to cut off the excess and make sure to secure the end of the track in place. Okay, so to make the front of the track look natural, I'm going to be pulling the hair on the weft through the base of the braid. As you can see right here, I passed my crochet hook through the base of the braid. So now I took a little bit of the hair from the weft, and I took a little bit of hair and I hook it and pull it through the base of the braid, as you can see right there. Again, I'm just going to show you one more time. Take your crochet hook, pass through the base, and then take a little bit of hair, hook the hair and pull it through to the front of the track. As you can see, perfect. So when you flip it over, it will look as if the hair is coming out of your scalp. Look at this right there. So now I'm going to be working on the braid in front. So I've already applied my hair product off camera. Also, I applied edge control to the roots of my hair to help tame the roots in place and the little flyaways in place. So right now I'm just going ahead to do the braid, and also I'm not using any hair extension for this part. I'm just working with my own natural hair. All right, so if you watched this point so far and you've not hit the like button, just go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel and you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button right away, okay? And turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. Okay, so I did the other braid off camera, and right now I'm going ahead to apply a little bit of the edge control on my edges to help lay them flat. So I was running late for an event, so I wasn't able to film the takedown process of the braid, so I just did all of that off camera, did my makeup real quick, went to the event. So this part right here, this was after I got back, and really easy. Once you're done sewing it down, you just undo your braid and separate it if you need to, and do exactly what I'm doing right now and put the hair into a bun. And the blend is just perfect. The blend, the color, everything is just perfect. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, so this is the final result right here. Look at this beautiful blend. Look at it's just perfect. Look at this, beautiful. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.